Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about setting up the game window. In the previous video, we learned about importing and initializing Pygame library, and we will do the same as the first step of creating any game. Import Pygame and pygame.init. So after we have done these two steps, we are ready to use the Pygame functions. So to create the game window, we have to give the game window's width and height, and we give it by pygame.display.set mode and two brackets. So this display statement take cares of all the functions which are related to the displaying of the game window in Pygame library, and this set mode function will set the width and height of the game window. And for now I am giving the height width to be 500 pixels and height to be 600 pixels, and we can store this whole function in a variable called screen, for example. And the second step is to name the game window. For example, here it is introduction to Pygame. And now if I want to give a my name, we can give it by pygame.display.set caption and brackets and double quotes. And as the name suggests, set caption, it will set the name of the game window, and for now it is hello world. Now let's run it. So you saw that the game window appeared and disappeared only in 1 second. This is because we haven't put this in while true loop. So we will make a while true loop so that the game window lasts forever. Now we also have to enable a function which is to exit it. For example, if I click this cross button, the game window should exit it. And to make it, we will use the for loop, which is for event in pygame.event.get. So this line of code explains that if there is a so this line of code will check for events. And what is a event? Event is like, for example, scrolling of a mouse or any click is an event. And now it will check for events, and if event dot type equals pygame dot quit. Now if there is an event which is pygame dot quit, now pygame dot quit is this cross function, and if there is a request like this, we should quit the Pygame library, pygame.quit. Notice that this pygame.quit, this quit is in caps lock, and this quit is not in caps lock. And now let's run it again. So now you can see that the name is also hello window, and the width is 500 pixels and the height is 600 pixels. And after we have made the game, if we press this cross button, it quit successfully, but it is still showing an error. This is because the game did not exit properly, because the system did not exit it properly. So to exit it properly, we should import another module called sys, and sys module is usually used to exit the programs, and we will write sys.exit, and now the program will exit successfully. Now let's run it again. Before running it, let's update the display screen, which is we can do it by pygame dot display dot update. Now this function will display the display screen, and if there is a need for any update, this will update the screen. So now let's run it again, and now the screen has been uh, there, and now it is, we can close it, and you can see there is no error this time because it has exit properly. So that is this much for today. And if you like my video, please give a like. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding. Bye.